Hi guys! Today we are going to see how to connect a domain to Shopify. Before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. So now let's see how to connect a domain to Shopify. Click on Setting and go to Domain. We have 3 domain options available, with 2 being paid options. The first option is to purchase a domain directly from Shopify. The second option is to connect an existing paid domain if you have one. Lastly, the third option allows for updating your domain just free. First, let's see how to purchase domain from Shopify. Click on Buy New Domain and proceed to search for your desired domain name to check its availability. Let's use dummy domain as an example to see how the process works. From here, we buy domain and it will automatically connect with Shopify. In the Connect Existing Domain option, you can integrate a domain that we already purchased from another website. Here we add domain name. Now here we use any dummy name and let's check how the process works. Here you'll copy the required value IP and store URL, then paste them into your purchasing website. Let's suppose if we have GoDaddy domain, then connect with GoDaddy. In the third option, we'll explore how to update your domain for free. This type of domain does not much impact your ranking. That's why we choose paid domains. Choose availability domain name and then save it. Here we can see updated domain. Now check website. We can see domain successfully updated. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.